You know, motorcycles are the only known fix for all the layers of crap in life that just seem to pile up by middle age for us. It's that constant noise of bills and commuting and family obligations and back pain. Man, our arteries are clogging faster than a downtown sewer. We got hair growing in all the wrong places. I tell you, motorcycles are much safer and cheaper than a mistress. What are we doing here, my friend? Well, we're setting up my leather tools. We're gonna handcraft a motorcycle tool bag because in one of my previous careers, I was an unhinged professional leather craftsman. But I walked away from all that to start a new career as a nomadic filmmaker. That is an eccentric story for an upcoming episode. This changed everything for me. The biggest lesson motorcycles have taught me so far is that true happiness and clarity in life, it only comes from the subtraction of things, not the addition of things. And it only took my dumbass 52 years to learn that. That is not coffee, kids. I used to be a fancy man, working on Wall Street for a few years. Then I worked at 2 technology startups. Then I somehow became a renowned craftsman with celebrity clients and private projects all around the world. I owned lots of shiny things and living that fast life. I wasn't unhappy, but I sure can say sometime around my late 40s, I noticed that life was starting to feel complicated and heavy. Distracted is a good word here. Yeah, over time, life slowly, it unknowingly drifts to a place where we're playing other people's games, constantly buying crap we don't need, living by other people's rules. True freedom and happiness in life, it only comes from the subtraction of things, not the addition of things.